Well, it's what the people think, but here at Intense, we rate them both. Now let's get into the Intense 5. Dancehall star Joshi was fined $50,000 or 6 months in prison for breaching the Disaster Risk Management Act. I'm sure he paid that right away, like no hesitation.
No, sir. Riri is turning that baby bump into a fashion statement. Love it. She turned up fashionably late at the Dior show, but it was worth the wait. Little woman will shout out that she's late in the crowd. Girl, obviously.
Yeah, I'm just saying.
I'm so glad that Riri clapped back.
20 of the 24 Jamaican students who fled Ukraine are now back on the rock. However, Victoria, the Puss, is not. There are some restrictions with bringing her into the country, but hopefully she'll be here soon.
So Lady Saw took on 50 Cent on IG. She commented on one of his posts asking for payment for use of one of her songs on Power. She told him who she was and even went as far as asking him to do a movie about her, which we believe she definitely deserves. Don't know if 50 Cent responded privately, but we'll keep you updated.
And finally holding the spot this week, Spice decided to take a break from social media to just breeze out. This comes after the Dancehall pastor released a demo the two were working on from 2020. Spice asked him to remove her voice from the track as the release was not agreed. Ah, boy. Now, there is never a dull moment in dancehall. Look here now. But that's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.